Everyone thinks the best-selling clear coat spray cans are automatically the best ones. But is that really true? If you look a little closer, the story is actually quite different. Product number 1, Spraymax 2K Glamour High Gloss. Spraymax 2K Glamour High Gloss Clear Coat caught my attention immediately with its professional-grade quality and high gloss finish, priced at $30.99. If you want a durable, glossy finish for your automotive projects, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The advanced two-component formula means it's resistant to UV rays, gasoline, and chemicals. Plus, it covers about 448 square meters, so you can tackle medium-sized projects with ease. With a solid rating of 4.6 stars from over 17,000 reviews, you know it's got a reputation to uphold. Now, some people complained about the nozzle becoming clogged if not cleaned properly, which can be a hassle. Here's the thing though, if you're willing to clean it after use, it's not a deal breaker. It guarantees a professional finish that's hard to beat. This is perfect for you if you're looking to restore or protect vehicles. Skip this one if you're just looking for a quick, temporary solution. For the quality, it's a solid investment. Now, if the price of the Spraymax made you hesitate, this next one might actually fit your budget better. Product number 2, Spraymax USC 2K High Gloss Clear Coat 6-pack. The Spraymax USC 2K High Gloss Clear Coat in a 6-pack is a bit pricier at $138.75, but it caught my eye because it's designed for serious automotive restorers. If you want to ensure a glossy finish for multiple projects, this is worth a serious look. What's great about this pack is that each can maintains the same high-quality features as the single can, including UV resistance and a true mirror-like gloss that can live up to any enthusiast standards. The fan nozzle allows for precise application, so you'll be able to cover all those tricky spots without extra tools. With the same impressive 4.6-star rating from 17,300 reviews, it's evidently a trusted choice. Here's the thing though, if you're serious about automotive work or have multiple items to coat, this pack will save you a lot of time and hassle in the long run. This is perfect for you if you have multiple projects or a business that requires consistent quality. Skip this one if you're just doing one-off crafts. The bulk purchase gives you great value for your money. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for DIY enthusiasts on a budget. Product number 3, Spraymax USC 2K High Gloss Clear Coat 4-pack. Next up is the Spraymax USC 2K High Gloss Clear Coat in a 4-pack, priced at $93.78. If you want high quality without going overboard on price, this one's definitely worth a look. This product shares the same professional-grade features as the previous options like UV and chemical resistance, which is key for maintaining that fresh look on your projects. The coverage is impressive too, offering about 500 square feet per can, so it's great for larger projects. It's rated 4.6 stars by over 17,000 people, showing it's a tried and true favorite. However, some users felt that it took longer to cure compared to other options. But here's the thing, if you're patient and allow for the full drying time, the end result is worth the wait, giving you that professional appearance. This is perfect for you if you want a great balance between price and quality. Skip this one if you need something that dries super fast. It's a smart buy for serious DIYers. Now, if you're looking for something versatile that works on various surfaces, keep watching. Product number 4, Rust-Oleum Painter's Touch 2X Ultra Cover 6-pack. The Rust-Oleum Painter's Touch 2X Ultra Cover in a 6-pack is a fantastic choice at just $29.88. I was impressed by its versatility. If you want a reliable clear coat for different materials, this is definitely worth a look. This product is designed for both interior and exterior use, making it suitable for wood, metal, plastic, and more. It covers up to 12 square feet per can, making it a great option for small to medium projects. Rated 4.7 stars with nearly 40,000 reviews, it's clearly a crowd favorite. On the flip side, some users reported that the finish can look slightly dull compared to high-gloss options. Here's the thing, if you're seeking a subtle finish that still offers protection, this won't be an issue for you. This is perfect for you if you're looking for an all-around option for various surfaces. Skip this one if you're aiming for a glossy look. It's a great value for the money, especially for the range of projects you can use it on. Now, if you're after something with a matte finish, I've got the perfect option coming up. Product number 5. Rust-Oleum Painters Touch 2X Ultra Cover Matte Clear. Finally, let's talk about Rust-Oleum Painters Touch 2X Ultra Cover Matte Clear, priced at just $5.99. If you want a no-shine option that still protects, this is worth considering. This matte finish is perfect for projects where you want to avoid glare while still achieving a durable coating. It works well on multiple surfaces, including wood and metal, and like its counterpart, it dries to the touch in just 20 minutes. With a rating of 4.7 stars from over 3,700 reviews, it's a solid choice for those looking for something different. Some users found that the matte finish doesn't provide as strong a protective layer as glossy finishes. Here's the thing, if you're not dealing with heavy wear and tear, this is a fantastic budget-friendly option that still delivers on durability. This is perfect for you if you prefer a matte finish for your projects. Skip this one if you need maximum shine and durability. For the price, it's an excellent buy. Alright, that wraps up our look at some of the best clear coat spray cans out there. To wrap it up, we've got the professional-grade SprayMax options that shine bright, the versatile Rust-Oleum packs, and a matte finish for those who want something different. Each one has its strengths depending on your project needs, so choose wisely.